Guys, welcome. In this video you're going to be looking at pointers in C. The pointer is a special variable that points to an address in a memory location. It points to the address of any location of a variable. For example, have here, if this is the memory location, let's say it contains an integer 60, and this is our pointer. This pointer that is pointing to this memory location. So this pointer points to the address of this location. Let's say if the address is 200, so this pointer takes the address, it points to 200. So going back, this video is a look at how to declare a pointer variable, how to initialize a pointer variable, changing the value of the object pointed by the pointer, assigning the content of a pointer to another pointer. So let's see how to declare a variable. We use this syntax: data type star pointer name. A pointer is a special variable. It takes the data type of the value in the location it points to. For example, if it is pointing to a location where that stores the integer, the pointer takes the data type of one integer, int. For example, you have int star ptr. So ptr is a pointer that points to an address containing an integer. So we can add some examples and say float star pt. So this one is pt is a pointer pointing to a memory location containing a float. Can say double star left. So this pointer left is pointing to an address containing a double. So that's how we declare a pointer variable. Okay, now let's see how to initialize a pointer variable, how to assign an address of a value it points to. For example, you have these lines of code. We have an integer x, assign the value of 10. Then we are declaring a pointer ptr. So it takes the data type of x, because it is pointing to the address of x. So how do we assign the address of this value to this pointer? We use what we call the address of operator. This is the address of operator. So we have a ptr pointer equal to address of operator, then the value it is pointing to, which is x. Another example, we have float y equals 4.56. If we declare another pointer, so it will take the same data type, float star, let's call it red. So we want to assign the address of y to red. Say red equals address of operator y. So that's how we assign the address of a value to a pointer. Let's see how we can access this value using the pointer. I'm going to remove this example and comment this. So after declaring and initializing a value of x, it is an integer, then declaring a pointer ptr and assigning the address of x to ptr. So how do we access this value? How do we print the value of our pointer ptr? We have what we call value of operator. This star value of operator is an operator that is used to point a value stored at the location pointed by the pointer. It's used to access the value stored at the location pointed by the pointer. So in our printf, we have printf %d because we want to print an integer. Then we use this value of operator star ptr. So if we run this program, it should give us 5, the value of x that we were assigned to our pointer. So let's run this program and see. Okay, there we go. It is returning 5, which is the exact value. So thank you guys for watching. We shall continue with the last two in our next video.